Live and breaking news for dental labs. A protection source like nothing before. Introducing the best game changer to hit dentistry in many years. DentaKote has now unleashed an incredible protector for your dental lab cases. DentaKote Lab is available to help your cases last longer, with less plaque and calculus adherence and much more. Improving your cases, eliminate bacterial deposits, decrease remakes and prolong the life of your 3D printed resins. Vial is pre-loaded with sufficient product to coat and protect 20 to 40 cases. We are accepting pre-orders now for this first run with very limited supply. Introductory pre-order pricing of just $149.99. Sign up and order today. Application is very simple and requires no extra equipment. Use it in the lab and become a reseller too. Let your dentists order through you. This product is heat, water and bacteria resistant. Many more benefits. Are you wanting to know?